food. I want the food. I smell food. Come on. Give me up. Give me up. Come on. Give me up. I smell food. Please, please. Lay down here then. Someone open the door. It's Mommy Sissy. Get me out. I missed you. I missed you. I missed you. Get me out. Get me out. Sissy, Sissy, missed you. Missed you. Get me out. Okay, I'll just stay here. So what you just saw was me acting out my dog Apollo whenever you go next to his cage because he pees and poops everywhere. That's why he lives in a cage. He'll just claw in like, get me out, get me out, get me out. And if he smells food, he's like, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. I want the food, I want the food. And he's always pouting. He's like all the time. And then sometimes he's quiet and he's like, fine, I'll just lay here. But then when you go closer to him, he's like, you want me? Take me, I want you. That's what I was trying to do. So this is like my little skit of just me acting like my dog Apollo. So that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching it. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe.